Hello everyone, this is John, and today I'll be repairing an in-ground swimming pool slide. We have determined that this slide is made out of ABS plastic, and we're going to use Polyvance's PlastiFix to repair it. Someone has used, looks like maybe fiberglass to try to repair this, and it just didn't hold. I'm going to start off with 80 grit and go ahead and sand off all of this fiberglass. Now that it's starting to dry, I can see low spots, especially along this edge up here. We're going to prep this area through here about 2 inches on each side of the crack so that we can lay some cloth down for extra reinforcement. Alright, so we will begin by dropping some PlastiFix powder along the repair. So what we're doing here is we're just going to build up a layer of PlastiFix, something for our fiberglass cloth to stick to. Now, to make sure that the PlastiFix is spread evenly, I'm going to take this piece of plastic, lay over the top, and just kind of pat it and smooth it down. This piece of plastic is made out of polyethylene, so it will not stick to the PlastiFix. Now that that is cured, let's peel the plastic off. Notice how I V-grooved all the way through down to the PlastiFix on the back side. When we drop it into the V-groove here, it bonds to the back side also. So I'm going to begin with putting some PlastiFix on this edge to go ahead and let that be setting up a little bit to give me something to build off of. And that is a solid, complete repair.